For those of us doing further maths or additional maths in school, today I would like to discuss a question on integral calculus or integration. Some call it integral calculus, some call it integration. So the question is on the screen. Let me read it out. It says integrate 4 over x raised to the power 3 with respect to x. So how do you do this? Now, whenever you see a question and the question says integrate something, so when you hear the word integrate, the first thing you do is you draw a snake sign. That's the first thing. So when they say integrate, you draw a snake sign. So when you're done, you write a question. Now you write the question. The question is 4 all over x3 then dx. That's it. So again, when you hear the word integrate, you draw a snake symbol, then you write the question, then you put dx. Now why did I put dx here? I'm going to explain that in another video. So the next thing I'm going to do is that you ask yourself, this particular question, what rule of integration can I compare it with? There are so many rules of integration, but the particular one I'm going to compare this question with is called ax raised to the power n. Like I said, there are many rules, but the rule that fits this question is axn. So, and that's because I can turn this question to this expression. So to do that now, I'm going to use the laws of indices. So to do that now, I have 4 over x raised to the power 3. Then I'm going to separate it as 4 times 1 over x raised to the power 3. Then this becomes 4. Now this 1 over x raised to the power 3 can be written as x raised to the power minus 3. You can see that I have written this now in this form. So remember, there are many rules, but the rule I'm going to use for this question is xn. So I'm going to write this down now as, so you draw the snake, 4 x raised to the power minus 3, then put a dx there. So at this junction, I think it's easy to do now. So what you do is you bring out the question. Do you understand? Yeah, this is the question. So you now look for x. That's where dx comes in. So you look for the x, you focus on the x. Now you add 1 to the power and you divide the answer by the new power. The new power is minus 2. So if you do this now, of course, 2 will cancel 4. So this will give you minus 2 x raised to the power minus 3. And if you don't like it this way, you can write the answer as minus 2 all over x squared. So the final thing you have to do is you have to introduce a constant, and you have to let them know that this is a constant. So you can say k is a member of R, or you can say k is a constant, like in English, like k is a constant. And that is all. So I'm going to tell you a lot of things later, but for now, thank you so much for watching this video, and bye.